12 days since the storm here, and we're just checking on the work that's being done. It looks like they just helicoptered some surveyors in to start surveying the area to put a new bridge in. They got machines down right by the river there. They got river rescue just by the river down there, just in case somebody falls in, they can run in and fish them out of the water. They got machines putting riprap in. Good jagged rocks. Still got helicopters flying over all the time here. All right, we're gonna go check what's happening at the north end at the Carolyn Mines Bridge here. Alright, so here we are at Carolyn Mines, the bridge there. They got machines here, they are working on it. Obviously not as many machines as over there, but that's probably because they can't get that many machines over here. They are working on it though, so they're making progress. We heard an announcement saying that they were going to get this highway open by January, so it probably put a little pressure on them. Creek and the Coquihalla River have both come up in the last couple days, a significant amount, not nearly as much as it was, but it's come up. We're forecast to get more rain in the coming days, and next week another atmospheric river in the sky, so stay tuned.